All right, folks, today's walkthrough Wednesday is 924 Old Metairie Place. This is a gorgeous townhouse in Old Metairie. As you can see, this whole neighborhood is made up of these similar townhouses. And all the roads over here are like Old Metairie Place, Old Metairie Street, Old Metairie Road. Today we're at 924 Old Metairie Place. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom townhouse. It's about 1,645 square feet and it's offered at $319,000. So when we enter the front door, we've got a little coat closet. Step over here and we've got our built-in garage. I like how this is built directly into the house. You don't need to walk through anything. We've got our laundry and it's just a very self-contained townhouse that lives like a home. Walk through here. So that's our main living room, leading into a small pub table like dining room. And then we have our kitchen. Just really well updated stainless steel appliances, everything you could possibly need. And then a den slash larger dining room space here, leading out to our backyard, which is rather small, but still nice to have some green space. Here is our half bath. Now we'll go upstairs. All of our true living area is upstairs. Where you would rest your head at night is going to be separate in the upstairs from your entertaining space downstairs. Bedroom number 1. Step through here to bedroom number 2. These are really rather large bedrooms and they overlook this beautiful street in Old Metairie. Huge walk-in closet, and then the bathroom. And so that's accessed through this room directly and then also through this little hallway. Here is our master suite, and this is pretty awesome. Ceiling goes way up high there. Clearly a large room with a king-size bed, another walk-in closet, and then ensuite master bath. So truly an excellent value here in Old Metairie. This is 924 Old Metairie Place, 1,645 square feet, offered at $319,000. Move-in ready, excellent condition. Feel free to call Chris Smith at 504-231-2004 to make an appointment. We'd love to show it to you at any time. Thanks for watching this week's Walkthrough Wednesday. I hope you're having a wonderful day.